Welcome to another Garage Time with Goody. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change tail light bulbs and tail light assemblies in case yours has got broken or damaged in the years 2008 to 2014 Dodge Avengers. And it shouldn't matter if it's a 2.4 liter engine or a 3.6 liter engine. This works the same in both. What I'm going to do first is open up the trunk. I'm going to be taking this pry tool and I'm going to pry this plastic rivet out. So then I'm going to pull this liner down like so, and then that will give me access to these two little plastic nuts. I don't know if you can see these or not. These two little plastic nuts. There's one here at the top, and I'm just going to unscrew it. This is also a way to do this if you're going to be installing a new bulb or a new assembly. This will also work for that. But these nuts come out like this. Take a plastic spudger, and I'm going to put it here at the end of this light and just push it forward. And that way, the reason I'm using a plastic spudger, that way I don't scrape the paint, and this is going to pull forward just like that. It's kind of dirty in there. Alternatively, what's holding the end on the other side is this plastic connection here that's connected to here on the inside. If you don't want to take that plastic spudger and push it out at an angle, you could take a rubber mallet and just tap this and it'll push out all the same. Clip right here. I'm going to go ahead and pull that out, and I can see that this right here, these two wires, there is a white and green wire, and then there's a black wire. This is to the backup light. So when you put your car in reverse, this harness is going to get 12 volts of power. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug this one too, and I'm going to set this light in the trunk for now. So now, if you were going to be replacing any burnt out bulbs, now would be a good time to do that. Or if you were going to replace the whole tail light assembly, now's also a good time to do that since you know how to do it. See that the clip goes in this way, upside down. You might be able to hear it snap in place. There's a snap. This one is going to go top side up where the clip is at the top. Then you can hear it snap into place, and you're going to want this screw to go into this square place, and this plastic peg is going to go in right there. And then you just give it a push, and once it's in and it's lined up, you're going to take these two plastic nuts, and one is going to go in right here. And you're going to tighten it down. Make sure it's good and flush. Then there's one right above it. So right here and right here. And I'm going to be tightening it down. And remember, just snug it, not Incredible Hulk strength. This is plastic. If you find this video helpful, please smash that like button. Consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, I will see you later.